just up there. I've got my brother with me, my younger brother, and we're gonna tell him it's a big nut, and he's gonna whack it with a stick, man. Hopefully he gets bitten.
Alright, go. This is the big nut.
Go, quick.
Run and smack it as soon as you get there. Or it won't look cool. You missed. Oh, shit.
Super potato.
Oh. Ah, fuck. Oh, cunt.
Wait, Nathaniel, grab that, grab it. Oh, man.
You got me right fucking there, see it?
Fuck, yeah, hold it up.
Fucking pull the cunt out.
Right under the armpit.
Super potato.